What percentage of your day do you spend communicating? The average is 70 to 80%. Research shows 55% of that is listening.
Listening is vital to the success of every organization. But widespread poor listening skills are an insidious, costly obstacle that business people have learned to live with.
How often do you hear a manager say, "I've told them 1,000 times"? How's that gone for you? Not well.
Evidence is everywhere that most people listen poorly. Wasted time and resources, internal conflicts, missed deadlines and goals, lost customers, and lost confidence and trust in the executive team.
Decisions that are being made from the individual contributors to the middle managers, if leaders are not listening to that, the culture itself gets sick.
Until now, there's been no viable, scalable solution. Active listening isn't nearly enough for today's business listening challenges.
When people talk about listening, they will say, "We know it's important, we just don't know how to develop it."
What's needed is a science-based learning solution delivered virtually or face-to-face that leverages current neuroscience and treats listening as an essential, developable business skill. Mandel Communications has met that need with the Listening Edge.
So we want you to understand the way you listen first and then how to observe others.
Research has confirmed that the information we tune into differs from person to person.
Now you've got an amazing team that can allow quick, iterative innovation. Listening intelligence saves time, money, and stress. High potentials, mid-level managers, we can help them be much more purposeful in their listening. Most salespeople like to speak. What they were missing was where to dive in and understand what was important for the client, and that's listening. We've seen a natural shift in their ability to close deals. The development is so quick because you do it naturally.
The Listening Edge can develop your employees' listening intelligence, reduce conflict, realize efficiencies, foster innovation, and enhance your corporate culture.
They can learn to listen in any situation, with any circumstances, with any high-stakes outcome they're looking for with any person.